Alright, nansi the speed engikhuluma ngaso, which is just the distance a pulse travels per unit time. Okay, phela nje pulse speed ukuthi gijima kangakanani, yabo? So i-formula ke ithi ke V is equal to D over T. Lo V lo ngubhala uV i-pulse speed, and then D is the distance traveled by the pulse, and then the T is the time it took to travel distance. Okay, the unity of any pulse speed is meters per second. The unity for each distance is your meters, and then for each cut is your seconds, which means more near the unity that you have to convert back. So just as a reminder, the distance mawusuka meter uye centimeter wenza njani, mawusuka centimeter uye meter wenza njani, because ukwenza ngelinye ilanga bayifuna i-answer in centimeters, hayi meters lokujwayelekile, or kuyokwenza ukuthi bayifune in meters, which is lokho okujwayelekile but bakunike in centimeters. Yini lapha kumele uyenze? Remember ukuthi 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Okusho ukuthi mawusuka from ama meter uye kwama centimeter, you multiply by 100. So therefore ngala you divide by 100. Ungakhohlwa ke lokho, kuyinto ebalekile ezokusiza for ama conversion factors akho. Okay, so nayi ke le triangle engikhuluma ngayo okuyiyona ezoku-assista into manipulating i-formula. So if befuna nje i-pulse speed uyisebenzisa inje, uthatha i-distance yakho uyi-divide ngesikhathi phela with the correct units. Okay, so kuyokwenza ngelinye ilanga bakunikeze i-speed and then bafune mhlawumbe i-distance, bakunikeze i-speed nesikhathi, bafune i-distance. Uyibhala kanjani i-formula lapho? Okay, so we have uV la omncane, and then we have i-distance, and then we have isikhathi. So nayi le formula. So siyazi ukuthi mesifuna uV lo uzolingana nobani? uV uzolingana no D nobani? No T. But u-D no T kwenzakalani ke? Bona ba multiply, which means mawufuna or bazo-divide ngaphansi kuzoba khona u-T, just as i-formula injalo kanje. Lo line lo uqonde u-divide, lo line lo uqonde multiplication, yabo? So asenbu D manje, u-D uzokubani-ke yena u-D siyamvala. So laba basayile uV no T bahlukaniswe imuphi line? I-loga times. So bazoba uV and then multiplied by u-T, yabo? And then from here on sesalelwe u-T, which is isikhathi, the time it takes for i-pulse to move i-distance u-D. So u-T yena uzolingana noba samvala u-T lo simfunayo, kusala u-D bahlukanise uline horizontal u-divide, bahlukanise u-divide. Ukhona ba phezulu, ukhona u-D, ukhona ba ngaphansi, ukhona u-V. So now my formula ke ozosebenza 1 2 3. I-formula eyodwa, but we manipulated it. Sikwazile ukuyenza isinikeze lokho okuzobe kubuziwe ngaloso sikhathi, okusho ukuthi mhla kubuzwa so find the pulse speed usebenzisa le, find the distance usebenzisa le, find the time usebenzisa le, yabo? Mhlasimbe bangasho ukuthi calculate, determine, amagama lawa aqondile bethamba uyothola ukuthi i-answer yala yuba, yabo? So for i-pulse speed, remember i-unit yakho ye-speed should always be meters per second. I-unit yakho ye-distance should always be meters. I-unit yakho yesikhathi should always be seconds per. Mawubambe nje lokho, mawukwazi ukuconverter, uzokwazi ukwenza njani uphendula-ke imibuzo under i-pulse speed, because the formula le iyona ezosiyalela kule formula elandelayo siyibiza nge-wave equation. Okusho ukuthi mangayazi le uzoba nenkinga kuleya. But ke asibhekeni imibuzo-ke emayelana nani ne-pulse speed.